Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd. This is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, gold did end up just keep on pushing down today. We had a pretty good bounce earlier today, but it wasn't able to break structure, which I think should have been your realization that it wasn't continuing back up, like I said this morning. It's not just a impulsive up at a Fibonacci; it's an impulsive up with a break of structure at a Fibonacci. So we are definitely still, on the 1 hour, it's making lower lows, lower highs, but it looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think what's going to happen is this is going to kind of go sideways, probably making like a wave B. This first push down is a wave A, and then we're probably going to go down for like a wave C. And I think this is a wave 4 on the 4 hour time frame. This up here is the top of a wave 3, and eventually, once this ABC of 4 is over, I think there's a good chance we'll go up at least one more time to hit the 78% Fibonacci retracement level to probably finish off a wave 5. And once that's all complete, maybe we'll get a much bigger turn to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.